We just went on quite the shopping expedition, a delicious one I may add. He's already munching on some stuff. Roasted stuffed artichokes.
Fig biscotti that are just to die for. Unbelievable.
Perfect for Christmas. Oh, dried fig bread.
Oh, put some butter on that. It's just unbelievable.
Cocoa biscotti.
With chocolate on the back.
Dried fig. And it couldn't be Christmas without our panettone.
From?
Fiasconado.
Ah.
Yum. Okay, let's go shopping.
Artichokes?
Ooh, is that artichokes?
Yeah.
No. Yes, let's stop. Ciao!
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno! This is one of my favorite scenes. Oh, artichokes, mushrooms, and the castagni. Come stai? Tutto bene?
Bene, lei?
Tutto bene. These are ginormous with the parsley, garlic, salt and pepper. Buono. Guarda, guarda. Roasting chestnuts and artichokes, and here I am in the middle of the street, and these guys are just standing here roasting all types of good stuff. And in case you don't know what an artichoke looks like, it's got a long stem like this. Here's the purple cauliflower, and here's a peek inside one of the shops that we frequent. Ooh, look at the fennel.
Va bene così?
Ooh, funghi.
Sì.
Buono, una funghi.
Uno di funghi.
And here's all the rostitos. Paradini caffè gusto siciliano. Buono. Okay, so look at the shop. It's got great little Christmas items. Mini panettone. You don't want to drink a cup of coffee? Have one of these. Super, super strong. Let's see, little coffee shop here. Beautiful. Anche te?
Sì.
Also tea? Tutti i prodotti siciliano anche.
Sapone.
This is soap. Oh, look how beautiful this is.
Sapone? Al caffè?
Coffee soap. That is great. But what really caught my eye was walking in here and seeing these. Oh, carob. Oh, this is very typical. These are carob. Look at this, beautiful. This is for the tea.
Sapone all'olio d'oliva, sapone naturale.
The shop is great. Olive oil soap. Imagine that. These are so beautiful too. Questo fatto a mano, vero?
Sì, sì, sì. Abbiamo anche le oliere.
Green tea.
Nocciola e dolcetti siciliani classici.
Ida e Idu Siciliano. You guys know what that is? Like bedda e beddu.
Okay.
These are plate mats. Easy to clean. Sì.
Questi sono geli siciliani. Succo di limone, arancia e mandarino. Solamente.
Buono.
E sono infatti 3 gusti. È una coppia di Puglia.
Limone de Etna.
E poi abbiamo il nostro amaro.
Amaro. Agrumaro, amaro siciliano.
E poi abbiamo anche tutte le nostre con dei nomi un po' particolari. E c'è anche il
Cream of lemon, cream of almond, and cream of pistachio. Veramente complimenti, questo negozio è bellissimo.
Sono contenta che piaccia. E questo, anche perché hanno dei nomi un po' particolari.
Neatera.
Una terra, perché al melone, cresce in terra.
Oh my gosh, the melon cream because it grows from the earth.
Ciao, arrivederci.
Buon Natale,
Buon Natale,
grazie.
buon Natale a voi.
These are so beautiful too. Guess what I got, Alfred? Look how pretty this is. Everything is hand packed beautifully with precision. I always say Sicilians are great artists.
Ho messo i chicchi di caffè ricoperti di cioccolato.
Oh, she put a little bit of chocolate covered coffee beans.
Prendo la busta.
Here's a preview of what Taormina looks like. Of course, much more on a future video, but you know, Christmas, New Year's, it's time for the bubblies and also some vino. And if you're looking for some Sicilian and Italian wines, www.winesfromitaly.com. If you purchase $200 or more, there's free shipping. So that's winesfromitaly.com. Make sure you put in the promo code Yumi and Sicily. We've been coming to this shop for ages. Good morning, no problem. Ciao.
Good morning, welcome to Via Grande.
Since
In
1926.
1926 a Putia de Perivac. Welcome.
His English is so good. And we've got the favorites, purple cauliflowers, clementines, all kinds of goodies. Auguri, buona festa.
Auguri.
Today is the Immaculate Conception, right, Alfred?
Yep, Sunday the 8th.
This is the start of the holiday season here in Sicily.
No.
There's the famous
Ciao,
Alfio.
buongiorno.
You've seen him.
Come siamo
He's my
buonanotte.
boss.
Alio.
And look at this shop. Buongiorno. This is probably one of the most immense and the greatest collection of Sicilian and Italian goodies I've ever seen.
You know what this is?
Mostrada.
You know what
the
this
fichi
is?
di India. It's a sweet.
Yep, they usually make this with the grape ester.
Yeah, but this one is with the
Yeah, with the
fichi di
figurina. That's unbelievable. You don't see that very often.
Cassatelle. And here's the very famous
That's with the dried fig.
dried fish.
Oh, I love those. I love those too.
Let's go this way. Of course, here are all the typical fruits and dried fruits. These are oranges. This is orange skin, and it's boiled, and then you put a little bit of sugar in there. Buongiorno. Smiles. Oh, look at him. He knows the camera.
Paradise, very
Tutto il giorno paradisio, huh?
Va bene.
Ciao, che carina, guarda!
Aua mare!
Oh, grazie.
Prego,
Sì,
cucchisso come direbbero gli arabi ciattisa.
Yeah, they have things that you've never seen before. You got a panettone here with honey and cannella.
Which is cinnamon.
Yep. You've got one here with vetta and oranges. These are high end, by the way. These things are about $25 each. Classic panettone.
29. This one is 29. 30, yeah?
Here's a classic one.
And here's our fiasconado.
Where?
Right here. This is our famous fiasconado that we featured in one of our videos. We even went in the back and see how the panettones were made. It's December 8th, so it's time for the panettone or Pandora, and there's all types of flavors here, but as you may know, we love fiasconado. It's one of the best in Sicily. There's many others, but this one is an award-winning panettone, and we even have a link in our Amazon shop to them. We only make like 20-30 cents on each, so we're not being sponsored, buy them, but we do believe in them. And
These are the
so
ones from Castelbuono, see?
here are the ones from Castelbuono. We even went into their factory and showed you step by step how they make it. They have all different flavors and all types of fillings, but believe it or not, the pistachio one is all gone. All right, where is it? Nocciola. Let me see. Come over here. Mandola.
We're getting the almond, bunny. Almond. We're going to get the
and
almond.
we're going to do a taste test for you. Stay tuned.
Yum.
Yeah, come close.
Okay.
Now, a few years ago,
Look at
they
the...
became partners with Dolce & Gabbana. So if you buy one of these, you can get one of these beautiful tins. And we have one in our house, thanks to our friend Jim Ingram, who got us one.
Yep.
Isn't that beautiful? It's basically you pay for the tin can. We have this one in our Amazon store as well.
It's great. Just love it. But I'm telling you one thing right now. These are from Castelbuono, as Esther said. In my view, it's the best panettone, pandoro in all around.
Look at this sugo. Stella hai fatto questa, vero? And here's some scacciata and fig bread, and everything is made right here.
Look at how beautiful that
Oh no. Brachol and sugo.
I have to say one thing right now. These people from the mountain, they know how to make sugu and they know how to make brajol. It's just unbelievable. And if you look at the deli here, crazy, isn't it?
And this is one of the largest collections of pasta, literally, I've ever seen. Goes on and on. The salami. And there's Stella.
Buongiorno!
Stella, questa sugo. Oh, tu hai fatto?
Ho fatto io il sugo, certo, i
Come?
polpettoni, la salsiccia a sugo. Beautiful!
Delicious!
Bellissimo!
Yum! And then let's see, we have the fresh ricotta. This is the olio that we get. Questa è
Cotognata.
cotognata.
Sì, marmellata di mele cotogne. La cotognata.
Melacotogna is one of those ugly apples. Tua mamma come?
Bene, bene.
Her mom was a little bit ill. Now look at these, honey, all local.
Mastazzola.
Mastaciola.
We're gonna have one of these.
In dialetto mustacciola o mastazzola, sono tutte e due con I fighi secchi.
These are with the figs. It's so delicious. We're gonna get. Since we're in the car going from shop to shop, here's a little bit of what we're seeing. It's a beautiful drive around here in Sicily. All right, literally, this is the biggest collection of panettones I've ever seen. Oh my gosh.
Help me!
You know what I want to get? We got the almond one. I like the pistachio cream one.
Oh, get one. Get Tre Maria. That's great.
Now we're at Conad, one of our other supermarkets. The dried fruits and nuts. Ooh, these are yummy. Figs, dates, and ginger. You would not believe how many types of panettones are here in Conad's. Okay, so first of all, this entire row, and we brought you here before, but I'm telling you right now, this year is much bigger. This actually is a pretty good one, Cremari. And over here they have the Christmas boxes. All types of goodies. I mean, look at this. It goes on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Every year. The mortadella.
Esther, Get me 2 pieces of bread. It'll make a nice sandwich with a little bit of mustard. Yum. Look at the guy. Look at the size of that. Oh, mozzarella, a little bit of Swiss cheese. What do you think, huh?
Perfecto. Right here is what I like. Filled with Bronte pistachio. Not this one. Sometimes they come with the little bottles. I like them right inside. Although I've been told that they last a little bit longer in the bottle. What's this, Al?
You sure?
That's a chocolate mark.
No, that's
Chocolate brand.
That's the Moro.
No. The chocolate from Modica is a Peluso.
Look at that.
Moda. Tremori is good, but Moda is a pretty good one
Moda.
as well.
They sell that in the United States. That's industrial.
Are you guys in heaven? Which one is your favorite? Oh, look at this. This is crazy. This is seriously the most I've ever seen, even out here in this hall. You know what this is? This is for New Year's. Pig's feet with lentils. The Christmas colors and just the decorations make me want to smile. Look Al, look how pretty, made out of gold. Kinder. Time for the Stella de Natale. Usually I get one of those big ones, then a small and medium one. Well, these are pretty too. I've never seen the yellow ones. This is definitely one of my favorite times of the year. Everything looks so festive and delicious desserts. Some of the shops, like Cafe Orna, have their own brand of Panettone. And everyone has very different flavors. And of course the regular desserts. The other day we were talking about why Sicilians love dessert for the morning, and someone said buongiorno, and someone said, oh, they like to start out the day sweet. But I think they eat sweets all day to keep the day sweet. What do you guys think? And here are the flavors. Cioccolato. Con pere. With pear. Pistachio, the classic. Kinder. Oh, there's the Coq Raphael, which is cocoa. Questa mandola o nocciola? Almond. Oops, there's the almond and the orange. And look how beautiful the covers are. Grazie. That's a cute little decoration here at Urna. Look at this. And here we are in Retana, and all the beautiful Christmas things. A lot of these things are already sold out. That's pretty incredible. And they're preparing all the other ones. Oh well. That fig cookie, yum. Do you guys make these for Christmas? What does it taste like, Al? I love dried figs.
It's indescribably delicious. I think that's a cool. I remember there was a commercial. The guy says indescribably delicious. But
is that something you grew up with in Christmas time?
yes, And
Definitely
that fig
a
bread,
favorite. Oh,
you put some butter on it and you toast it in the morning. You go to heaven. And by the way, before I do anything else, I want to give a shout out to a new friend that Esther Bunny and I made today with coffee at Raitana. Her name is Jennifer Kirenza from Florida. Who, guess what, Bunny?
her and her husband, Colin, just found a place. We won't tell you where, but somewhere in Sicily, and they're going to be making the move.
They're gonna be
Another one
relocating here.
in our community making the
Another-
move.
another
and
two people.
speaking of community, if you would like to support our programming, one way is by becoming a community member. Down here below, you can hit the join button, and $1.99 a month. $1.99 a month. You'll be helping us pay for some of the over-the-road expenses. By the way,
Could I say something before
I
you
want to
continue?
say a big thank
Guess
you.
not.
I want to say a big thank you to people who are already sponsoring us. Thank you so much. You know who you are. Our friends from Canada, our new friend in Texas. Many people who have given over the years, and we really, really appreciate it. We come to you weekly, Sundays at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we're only able to do it because of your help. So, grazie mille.
Could I say something?
Well, by those of
To
you who
become
have been
part of our
watching,
community is $1.99 a month. Now, I know that many of the people who watch us live at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time,
10 a.m.
10 a.m., excuse me, are loyal members of our community. But the question is, we have thousands of people who view for free. So how about it? $1, and it's less than a half a cup of coffee, right? I mean, a coffee at one of those big places in the States costs $3.50. How about helping us out? It's not the money goes in our pocket. It pays for some of our expenses.
We took you to, it's just the beginning. So we're going to have much more videos, many more videos of Christmas scenes all over Sicily. But there you go, a little bit of a preview for you.
That Conad market that we went to, it had thousands of Panettone and Pandoro. I
I've
never
never
saw such a
seen
huge
so
mountain
many.
of people are buying them, steady between now and then. But the big
Now
thing,
and then when?
by the time January 1st comes, though, right? They're on sale.
You'll be done. You'll be done.
They'll
We've
be on
already
sale,
gone
like,
through
you
like
know,
5 or 6.
Regular $20, you can buy them for $2. But you want to know something? Those things last a long time. Some people put butter on them, toast them up. Some people, like a pal Jody, she makes French toast out of them. There's a million ways that you could have these panettones. And if you don't have one, if they don't sell them to you locally, then you could buy them online at our shop.
Our Amazon shop, which
Our
is
Amazon
also
shop.
in the description of this video, and we literally make like 20 or 30 cents on each product. If that, it's just a place where we put all the items, Sicilian mainly items that we use, that we believe in, and some of them are made by our friends, so we like to support our local Sicilian friends.
I want
to give a shout out to Mike Lomazzo and Lou Blasi. They had me on the Sicilian Corner. Thank you guys. Always fun to include you. And it was great going back to the radio station in Methuen where we first met.
A long time ago.
9 years ago. And I'm going to have an entire video about
Oh
that
my
in a
God.
future episode.
Did we say hello to Jen? I already said hello to Jen Kirenza, right?
On that note, thank you so much for watching. It's been a long day. Oh, and by the way, I flew over from Boston. I'm back in Sicily. Ciao, and thank you for watching.
I love you. Thank you so much.